Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisathompson.com, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to craft a Facebook story post that can get you more engagement and people reaching out to you. Now, you've heard it say that facts tell, but stories sell. And so you want to spend time crafting your story, okay? And you want to make sure that this is a story that resonates with people. You can talk about results that you've had. You can also talk about taking a stand against something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you two posts that I have done that are story related, that are regarding health and my health journey. And then I'm going to share with you a taking a stand post that one of my good friends and entrepreneurs, Mark, did. Okay, and then make sure you stay with me till the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how you can get a free training and cheat sheet that will walk you through exactly how to craft Facebook posts to get more people reaching out to you. So let's start with some health and wellness story posts. Now, I posted this the other day. Now, I was playing around with Canva, and this is just, you can do animations. So I did this with Success is a Decision Away. And this is my story. I said, hi, my name is Dr. Lisa, and I'm a Coke addict, not the drug. I had a 5+ can a day soda pop habit. I was spending an average of $72 a month just on soda. It was one of the biggest decisions why I not only became overweight, but hospitalized with diabetes. That night when I was in the hospital, I made a decision that I was going to beat this soda pop habit no matter what. In the past, I would say that I would do something, but when the rubber met the road, I would put it off until tomorrow. Not anymore. The first thing I did when I came from the hospital, I did something shocking. I took every can and bottle of pop I had in my home and I flushed it down the toilet. 72 cans worth of soda, $72 worth of soda. After each flush of the toilet, something inside of me shifted. I became more powerful and certain that I was going to beat this soda pop habit. Was it easy? No. Was my body screaming for pop those first 2 weeks? Yes. I was cranky, and when my body wanted pop, I began drinking ice water. After 3 weeks, I noticed a subtle difference. I began sleeping better. I had more energy in the day, and I started to lose weight because I took the $72 I was spending on pop and purchasing healthy food for my body. I am now coming up on 3 years of soda pop free and 50 pounds lighter, and I don't miss it. Why was I successful? When I made the decision, I combined it with action, and the action was painful. The root word of decision means to cut off from all possibility. By flushing down the soda pop, I made a statement to my body and to my mind that I meant business. What food vice are you struggling with right now? If you make a decision that you're going to beat the bad habit and immediately take action on your decision, you'll create a momentum that will give you results. The first 21 days will be difficult, but if you stick with it, you'll succeed. I believe in you. You got this. Remember, success is that decision away. That is a powerful story. And if you can see here, I had quite a few people. You know, I got 14 comments on it. Someone shared it. And I got some real happy comments from it. So that is an example of a powerful story post. Now, I did another one the other day here. And again, good comments. And this is and I keep getting comments and likes on these. So here's one I did the other day. And I showed a picture of my pants. I said this weekend I was cleaning up my closets and came across an old pair of scrub pants I wore for work. These pants tell a story. In December of 2016, I ordered scrub bottoms, a tan pair and a few other colors the same size. In January 2017, I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and my dietitian put me on a low-carb meal plan. In the past, I failed at diets because I lived and died by the scale. If my weight wasn't coming down fast enough, I would hide the scale in my closet and give up. In March of 2017, I got dressed that morning and put on my tan pants, and the unthinkable happened. My tan pants fell down to my ankles. They couldn't stay around my waist. I was freaking out because none of my work pants fit and the stores weren't open yet. Desperate times call for desperate measures. So I go into the back of my closet and I found a pair of pants, the black ones I haven't worn in 15 years. I took a deep breath, expecting to suck in my gut to fit into them, and the crazy thing happened. They fit! I didn't have to suck in my gut, and I had some wiggle room to boot. I was so excited. Here's the crazy part. The scale at the time said I only lost 10 pounds, and I was about to throw the scale out the window in frustration. This taught me an important lesson. Your results are going to show up first before they show up on the scale. If you're feeling discouraged because you're doing all the right things but it's not showing up on the scale yet, don't give up. Stick with it. You can't control how fast you lose the weight, but you can control the activities you're doing to lose the weight. You've got this. I believe in you. So as you can see here, again, more comments. So as you're going through and you're sharing your story, you're going to have people resonating with this. I'm talking to people who, are feeling frustrated because they had a hard time losing weight, or they've just been diagnosed with diabetes or prediabetes. So learning principles of healthy living. And so people are going to be reaching out to me. I have people sending me messages saying, what's your secret? What are you doing? How are you doing it? That is the magic. Now, I'm going to share with you taking a stand post. And this is done by my really, really good friend, Mark Harbert. He's an amazing entrepreneur. One of my, I just love him to death. And he put out a post here. And I really love this because this is him taking a stand. And so this is a way you can also craft a post where you're going to rally people to you. And so this is what Mark says. Okay, I'm going to be really open and transparent here. Some of you might not like what I am going to say. I love advertising. I am a marketer and I love looking at ads and I love buying. What I can't stand are ads that show a woman half naked in them, showing a ton of cleavage or in some scantily clad bathing suit. Sorry, I know sex sells, but that doesn't mean you should appeal to people in that way. You really attract yourself people without the best motives. Just because something works doesn't mean it's good to do. Sorry, it's just exploiting women and sex for gain. The sad thing is some women exploit themselves for gain. Call me old-fashioned, and I am, but honestly, I don't care. I just think selling with sexual undertones is tacky, sleazy, and quite frankly, attracts the wrong people. I'm sure some of you will disagree with me on this, but honestly, I don't care. Just stating what I don't think is needed to sell products and services. If you have a good product and are skilled enough to get your message across, you can get just as good results or better. And anyway, that's my opinion. This is my Facebook feed, so deal with it. I love this post because he's taking a stand. He's saying, there's better ways to attract people to you. So that's why I love, love, love this post. You can do these taking stands. And what that does, people love to rally around people. All right? They love to rally around people if there's a fight, us versus them. So come up with ways to craft stories. And if, some of you might be thinking, I can't do that. Just practice. Start getting good at crafting stories. It's going to take some time. And in the beginning, you might not get a lot of people. But you know what? As you put these out, you're starting and documenting a journey, and people are going to be following along. And at some point, they are going to start rooting for you. And you're going to catch that momentum. So start practicing and doing stories. That's how the most successful people, the top earners, really started building their audience and building that engaged audience was through stories. Because you build an audience, you engage your audience, and then you sell to your audience. Now, did you find this video valuable today? If you did, leave a comment and share. Now, as promised, if you would like to get a daily method of operation cheat sheet and video demo of not only storytelling Facebook posts, but other types of Facebook posts that can help you attract more people to you, my good friend and six-figure earner, Erin Birch, has an amazing training that she has for you. Now, just to give you a little bit of background about Erin. Erin is a single mom of 2 teenage boys, and she really struggled for 17 years in her jewelry business, making homemade jewelry, and wasn't getting anywhere. So she wound up making the decision to go into network marketing, and she learned how to leverage Facebook. Now, when she first got started, she didn't have any tech skills. She also did not have any money to do paid Facebook ads. So she relied primarily on her Facebook personal profile. And she started crafting posts, story posts, like I just showed you here. And all of a sudden, her results came about. And now, in 9 months, she enrolled over 600 people into her business. She's recognized, hit top rank in her company, and now she is passionate about sharing exactly how she set up her Facebook profile, how she posts, what type of posts she does throughout the day to get more people reaching out to her. She wants to share that knowledge with other home business owners so that they can have success as well, and that's why she has this free training for you. So to get access to her cheat sheet, her daily method of operation, and the free demo, all you have to do is click on the link in the first pinned comment in the comment section below this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.